Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in BAT with Uphold easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start investing in Basic Attention Token, or BAT, using Uphold, first, visit the Uphold website or download the Uphold app. If you don't already have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Next, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. After verifying, log in to your new Uphold account. Once logged in, you will need to complete the identity verification process. Provide the necessary personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Upload any required identification documents, like a driver's license or passport. Wait for the verification process to be completed, which typically takes a few minutes. Once verified, you can fund your account by selecting Add Funds. Choose your preferred funding method, such as bank transfer, debit card, or cryptocurrency. If you choose a bank transfer, follow the instructions provided to complete the transfer. If you prefer using a debit card, enter your card details and the amount you wish to deposit. After your funds are added, navigate to the main dashboard of Uphold. To buy BAT, click on the Assets tab or search for Basic Attention Token in the search bar. Select BAT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of BAT you wish to purchase or the equivalent value in your chosen currency. Review the transaction details, including any fees associated with the purchase. Once you confirm everything is correct, click the Buy button to complete your purchase. Your BAT will be added to your Uphold account, and you can view it under the Portfolio section. If you want to withdraw or transfer your BAT to another wallet, select the Send option. Input the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. Confirm the transaction details before finalizing the transfer. Now you have successfully invested in Basic Attention Token using Uphold. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.